Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. Lumion. We offer a wide range of training programs designed to help you master Lumion for architecture and civil engineering visualization. We offer training in Lumion in certificate, diploma, master diploma and PG diploma courses. Our programs cover all aspects of Lumion, empowering you with the skills needed for creating stunning visualizations and presentations for architectural and civil engineering projects. Here are some of the key features you'll explore in our courses. Mastery of Lumion's interface. Realistic 3D rendering skills. Proficiency in texturing and lighting. Expertise in camera and animation usage. Integration with other 3D modeling software. Real-time rendering optimization techniques. Effective presentation and collaboration skills. Enroll in the Lumion for Architecture and Civil Engineering Visualization course of your choice today and unlock the full potential of this powerful visualization software. For more information and to enroll in our courses, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.